Good day, everyone. I am Noe J.R. Remolar. Today, I will discuss an emerging technology called the Brain Computer Interface or BCI. This technology allows a human brain to communicate directly with a computer or machine, meaning a person can control devices using only their thoughts. In simple terms, the brain becomes the controller instead of the hands, mouse, or voice. A brain computer interface is a system that connects the human brain to an external devices such as computer, robotic arm, or wheelchair. Every time we think, move, or feel something, our brain produces tiny electrical signals. Normally, these signals travel through nerves to our muscles, but with BCI, the signals are captured and sent to a machine instead. So instead of your hand moving the cursor, your thoughts move the cursor. This technology has been studied since 1970s, but recent advance in artificial intelligence, the neuroscience made it much more powerful today. BCI works in three main steps. First is signal recording. Sensor detect brain activity. This can happen in three ways. A headset placed on the scalp, a device placed in the skull, or a small chip implanted in the brain. Second is signal processing. The brain signals are messy, so artificial intelligence analyzes the pattern and learns what the user intended to do, like moving left or typing a letter. Third is device output. The computer converts the interpreted signal into an action such as moving a cursor, controlling a robotic arm, or typing text. So the full process is think, brain signal, computer interprets, device move. And all of this happen in less than a second. Today, BCIs are mostly used in medicine. One major use is helping paralyzed patients move again. They can control a computer or robotic limb using only their thoughts. Another application is restoring communication. People who cannot speak due to diseases like owls can convert their thoughts into text or speech. BCI is also being tested to treat brain disorders such as Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and depression by correcting abnormal brain signals. Prosthetic limbs can also be connected to the brain, allowing users to control artificial arms naturally and some even feel touch. In the future, BCI may expand beyond healthcare. We may see mind control video games and virtual reality. You could play video games without a controller. In education, system could detect student focus and adjust lesson automatically. Smart homes may respond to thoughts instead of voice command. And one day, communication could become faster, possibly sending message directly from brain to computer. The most affected industry is healthcare because BCI can restore movement and communication. Neuroscience research benefit because scientists can better understand how the brain works. The gaming and entertainment industry may create immersive experience controlled by thoughts. Education can become adaptive and personalized. Even military and robotic fields may use hand-free control systems. However, this technology raises serious concerns. First is mental privacy. If devices can read brain signals, could they access private thoughts? Second is inequality. The technology is expensive, so only wealthy people might afford cognitive enhancement. Third is identity and autonomy. If a device influences your brain activity, are your decisions still completely your own? Finally, environmental impact exists because producing advanced chip and processing brain data requires energy and rare materials. BCI still faces many challenges. Implanted devices require surgery which has risk. Over time, the body may reject the implant, reducing performance. Non-invasive headsets are safer but less accurate. The technology is also very expensive and requires powerful computer. Lastly, laws and regulations about brain data privacy are still limited. In conclusion, brain computer interfaces could change the way humans interact with technology. It can restore movement, give voice to the speech impaired, and possibly allow direct communication between mind and machine. However, safety, ethics, and accessibility must improve before it becomes part of everyday life. The future of technology may not depend on touch or voice, but on thought. Thank you for listening to my presentation about brain-computer interface technology. I hope this discussion helped you understand how this emerging technology works, its real-world application, and the challenges society must consider as it develops. As technology continues to evolve, innovations like BCI may change how humans interact with machines, not through touch or voice, but through thoughts. Once again, thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming videos.